Good morning, day 72 of 75 Hard. Yesterday, one of my clients asked me what I've learned this round of 75 Hard, what I'll continue doing or what lessons I'll take. And, I do 75 Hard for all kinds of reasons. Obviously some personal stuff, but a lot of times I know that I will discover things that will help me be a better coach. And I simplified things this time in a way that I've never done before. And I've shared that, but I want to reiterate that simplicity wins. Simplicity allows you to execute on a daily basis because you're not overcomplicating things. Look, life is fucking complicated enough. There's enough shenanigans going on every day that we have to deal with, much less figuring out what to eat and how to work out and all these other things. Eating the same foods day after day after day is a good thing. It makes things easy. It makes you able to wake up and go, oh yeah, that's what I'm doing for breakfast because that's what I've done for breakfast every single day. Oh yeah, that's what I do for lunch because that's what I'm doing for lunch every single day. And when the plan doesn't work, when things get derailed a little bit, you still have it to fall right back into. That's the beauty of it. It's not to execute it 100% of the time because that's not realistic. But if you have a plan, if you have a routine that works, as soon as you can, you fall right back into that routine again. Simple. Not easy, but simple. And simple breeds results. So, simplify the shit out of everything you possibly can. And I promise you'll get closer to where you want to be. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. Party people, day 72 tasks are a wrap. Just got done with my second workout of the day. The wifey had some things to do, running errands and catching up on some shit because we were moving. So I had the honor of hanging out with Maximus a good chunk of the afternoon, which means workout number 2 got pushed back to this evening, which is absolutely totally fine. My time with him is so valuable to me. That is not something that I sacrifice. I always prioritize, I shouldn't say always, but prioritize him a lot over a lot of other things because that's what's really important. But anyway, ooh, I had lightning. I just got rained on. It's like giant raindrops for like 90 seconds and then they just went away. So anyway, I didn't get struck by lightning. I'm still here. 3 days left. Y'all make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.